Hey, it's Andi again from Sintratec, and today I'd like to show you my latest project, this FPV Racing Drone. The first design phase took me around 8 hours. The idea was to create a fully functional drone with its entire frame 3D printed using only selective laser sintering. Once I was happy with the result, I printed the 7 components using durable PA12 nylon powder on our Sintratec S2 system. A big advantage of 3D printing is that you can create structures that are either not feasible or extremely expensive to produce with conventional methods. Due to the enormous flexibility of SLS, geometries can be perfectly matched to the application to meet the demands of stability, efficiency and design. I was so proud of how pretty the drone came out that I thought it deserved a nice finish. So I sandblasted all parts and then coated them with a black acrylic paint, which has a great adhesion due to the still slightly structured surface that is typical for SLS. Once assembled, I attempted the first test flight in my living room and of course crashed into a wall soon enough. The antenna for the video transmission instantly broke off, and because it was tightly fixed, also damaged the fuselage. To avoid this from happening in future crashes, I came up with the idea to attach the antenna to the frame with a flexible adapter piece. This part I 3D printed with our soft TPE material, and after slight modifications everything fit perfectly. Now the antenna can bend off without damaging the fuselage. With all the arms, cover, fuselage and electrical components prepared, I started assembling the drone, which took me around 1 hour. First, I inserted the brass press-in nuts into the fuselage. I melted them down with a soldering iron to ensure I get robust, long-lasting threads. Then I screwed the arms together with the brushless motors and attached them to the fuselage. Next, I soldered the cables to the ESCs and mounted the video transmitter to the back of the fuselage. The F4 flight controller then was also mounted on top of the ESCs. Once all the wiring was done and the base plate for holding the battery was mounted, I attached the rotor plates. These are from an RC store and not 3D printed for now. And finally, I put on the cover. Job done. So, with the electric parts working, I think we are now ready to see if this drone can fly properly. And if so, how it competes to store-bought racing drones. Stay tuned for the results in our follow-up video.